Our community is our MVP. It's our most valuable play. Like you guys, you, yeah. Hey MoonToken fam, this is Stacy, your project lead, and this is our update from August 27th to September 3rd, 2021. First of all, hey, how are you doing? And I love our community is growing. I see like increase in numbers of people and engagement, and life is super exciting for us and just so great to have you here. On this weekly update, I have 5 points I'd like to get through, so let's just get started. First of all, our SHILL Army, I don't know, I need to make a SHILL kind of action, but like our SHILL Army is like increasing, growing strong. We're having different initiatives. I'm in the SHILL Army group chat, and there are different like tactical strategy, really exciting place to be. And I think the whole thing of MoonToken is the power of community. Like you can make friends from all over the world in our SHILL Army. So I really encourage you to consider joining our SHILL Army, and it's super fun, and it's about what you can do for MoonToken, and you're special and you're valuable, and we need to shill like crazy. Shill. Okay, second point is I want to do a recap of the Move Network workshop that we did together, which was called Create Your NFTs. That was held on August 22nd, which was a Sunday night here in Hong Kong. So Boris and Brian and Steven, they gave us their own time on a Sunday night to sit with us, our MoonToken community. There was quite a considerable number of us, around 28 who joined in live, which was awesome. We had lots of discussion. They walked us through what is an NFT, and like they gave us different ideas of NFTs. And then what happened is we had this awesome Q&A session that just opened up, and people were asking about, like, there's this wonderful woman named Janvi, and she has a graphic design company. So she was asking what's the application of how to move, what is possible for her to bring her business into this NFT space. And Brian, who's the head of product development for Move, he just gave her like really high level consultation to think about, and gave her prompting questions about how to see her business in the NFT space and possible applications. And I think that was like super duper valuable. So coming up, okay, sorry. And for the people who got to go, there was a little surprise at the end, and the surprise was blind boxes. And I went to the office, their Move office this week, and I saw the photo, or like it's a blind box. So basically a blind box is like a box, and it's like an NFT box. And when you open it, this is my hair tires, but like when you open it, like there are gonna be like something inside, but you don't know what, because it's a blind box. Anyways, for those who attended, will receive blind box when Move Market or Move Wallet is open, which is really exciting. And so that means that in our upcoming workshop with the Move Network, which we're planning, attend, and you may receive another surprise. I can't wink. Something like that. Okay, the third thing is the nice update is we have MoonToken Swap. For those who are newer, welcome to the family. For those who are newer to MoonToken, they might be like, what is the big deal about MoonToken Swap? First of all, it was called MoonSwap. MoonSwap was something that was on the original roadmap of MoonToken, and it wasn't implemented. So when we came on board, the new project management team, we were looking at the roadmap and saw like what is deliverable, what is feasible, what is not. We took on and we announced to everyone that we will get you guys the MoonToken Swap. Actually, we changed the name, because MoonSwap, we changed it to MoonToken Swap. So MoonToken Swap is really ready to be deployed. I have put through around 12 to 15 purchases through that during the beta testing, and it works so smoothly. The benefit of MoonToken Swap is just the ease of use and the ease of acquiring MoonToken through our website. So we're having videos and walking you guys through how to use MoonToken Swap. So please go ahead and check that out in our playlist below, coming soon. So yes, I think this is something really to rejoice, and we are just getting there, and like, we're building strong fundamentals, and we're making thoughtful decisions and choices for the future of MoonToken. And I'm so happy and excited that you're here. All right, the fourth thing is our Ideas Jam, which is tonight in less than 10 hours. We have our countdown on our Telegram group. So because Telegram opened the feature of screen sharing, which I think is super cool, we were saying, you know what, instead of having Ideas Jam on Zoom, let's like just ease of access. People can join our chat, and that will be our Ideas Jam on our Telegram group. So if you want to be part of our Ideas Jam, please join our Telegram group. And also our Telegram group is super duper fun. And so please bring your ideas, your questions. We're going to be discussing the next stage for MoonToken token, as in we're like Ram and we've prepared like different discussion points to kind of walk you guys through to understand the next choice at hand is to, create a new token, and the justifications of which, and we're going to go into more details there, and also use cases. So we have some updates with that, which I'm really excited. And so stay tuned. And I look forward to chatting to you guys today on the Telegram Ideas Jam. And the last thing I want to say is that I was so inspired by the value that we can give our MoonToken community when we have experts on the panel and they have high-level consultation, ideas, brainstorming of just like things that can help their business. And so what I'm planning in the works is something called a live academy. And it's just like we're going to be broadcasting from YouTube live on YouTube, and we just have different experts, and it'd be kind of like a weekly or bi-weekly thing. I just need to line up a few experts first before I can launch. So, but I just want to tell you, I want to share with you my brainstorming idea right now. So keep a lookout for that. On that note, I love you guys. Our charts look super healthy, and I have such a good feeling about it. And we had such a good August, and what is to come for September is very extremely exciting. So stay tuned. Don't forget to join our socials. We have a Linktree link now, linktree.moontoken. Okay, just try that out. And it's got all of our socials lists. So we're on Telegram, Reddit, YouTube, Twitter, and Discord. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon and talking to you guys soon. Love you guys. I think we should all get the Pump It Up song on our Spotify, and every morning listen to it. Let's go. Bye.